What's cooking, foodies? Today we're making crowd-pleasing chili. Quick and easy for any weeknight meal or a weekend potluck. I'll show you. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1 yellow onion, 2 garlic cloves, 1 red bell pepper, 1 green bell pepper, 2 30-ounce cans of chili beans, 1 30-ounce can of kidney beans, 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of basil, a half a teaspoon of sriracha, shredded cheddar cheese, sour cream, and salt and pepper. To a skillet on medium-high heat, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and add your diced onions and bell peppers. Saute for about 10 minutes or until soft.
A few moments later.
You'll now add your garlic and hamburger. You'll want to season your hamburger with salt and pepper and cook until no longer pink. Mix together and then strain out any excess oils. Add meat mixture to the crock pot. Add your diced tomatoes, kidney beans, and chili beans. Season with salt and pepper. Add a teaspoon of basil and a half teaspoon of sriracha. You can add more if you like it more spicy. You'll cover this and set it on low for 2 hours. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.